Okay, welcome again. Today we are going to discuss the characteristics, forward characteristic of the PN junction. Okay, as our PN junction diode, you can see here the symbol of the PN symbol of the diode is this one. So if we want to make the forward bias, so for that the P terminal of this actually this is the actual diode, okay, the semiconductor diode, this one is. So for this PN junction we have, this is our N region, brightest, and the dark is our P region. So this P, if we will connect with the positive terminal of the battery, then and the N we will connect to the negative terminal. So this like this we can have our diode in the forward biasing. Okay, so simple is this. If you will connect your P side of the junction with the positive of the battery, okay, so then it is your forward bias. If you will connect the negative of the battery with the P side of the semiconductor, this your diode, so that is your reverse bias. Okay, as I told you, we have discussed in our class that it can be used as a switching device also in forward and the reverse bias. So forward characteristic today we want to plot, we want to understand, verify how the in the forward bias connections are and how it will work. So here we have the lab manual. So you can see the lab manual, okay, and the observation that we need, so that is our forward voltage as well as the forward current. So these two observations we need, and the model graph is also shown here. You can observe the model graph characteristics, IV characteristic of the PN junction or a diode, you can say, in forward biasing, when it will be in forward biasing. So let us complete this circuit diagram. So to make the connections, we can connect our positive of this to the positive of the battery, okay, diode we have connected now, and you will connect the connections like this. Okay, it is in okay, it is in the parallel now, and ammeter we have connected the ammeter, the negative of this ammeter we will connect to this. Okay, so now it is ground, negative, N region is connected with the negative of the battery and P region is connected to the positive of the battery. So now as you will switch on, so now our device is on. You can observe both the meters, ammeter as well as the voltmeter. These observations you need to get, you will observe and note down the values. Okay, so and after that you will plot the characteristic, which will be like this. It means it will be verified if initially there is no current. Okay, there is no current initially, as we are increasing the voltage, forward voltage we are increasing, then initially there is zero current. After that it will increase very slowly, and then suddenly there is some raise in the current will raise. Okay, so here you will verify it. I will just increase the biasing voltage, you may note down. Okay, so as the current voltage I am just trying to increase, you can see initially the voltage is increasing, the current is very low. Okay, both the ammeter as well as the voltmeter, it is visible now, and I am again increasing this. So you may note down the second observation, this third observation, again it is 0.6 to 1.2. Again voltmeter reading is that same, current is increasing, it is in milliampere, it is increasing again. Next observation, like this, there is a sudden increase in the current at the certain value of this voltmeter, you may note down. Okay, there is a sudden increase in the current. Okay, so like this it is verified by this model graph of the forward bias. It is verified now. So like this you can plot the IV characteristic in the case of the forward bias of the PN junction diode. So this is the complete experimental setup. Okay, and you have noted down all the observations. You may plot your own characteristic on graph with the given values that you have noted down. Thank you.